Welcome back to the road. Well, we're here in a location that is desert, but it's beautiful. And I showed you a little bit of the footage before this, kind of the morning shot of what was going on. But let me show you around camp. Can you see him? Do you see him moving? Right up there in the rocks, see his horns? There's another one. That's a full curl ram. There's one right over to the left, right there. Aren't they beautiful? There goes one up the rock there. And that big male is just sitting here grazing. They're probably about 60, 70 yards from us. There's another one right there. There goes the one, there's another. So there's three of them right there. There goes the male. Following the two females. There's someone in a cargo trailer. A little further down here, you have a nice airstream being pulled by a pickup. And then beyond that, you see that little white SUV. We have some more camp set up on the left. A little travel trailer on the right. And I'm sure the audio, you're probably hearing the wind, and I do apologize. But until I get my Road Video Micro Pro, this is the best I have for now. Look at that view. Isn't that just gorgeous? history of this area is just incredible, dating back hundreds of years. And all the different peoples that have not only passed through here, but have lived here and settled here. Times that I've been out here, and I've spent a lot of time down this area in the past, and it literally is like when I'm here by myself, like the hills are talking to me. I can hear a lot of the history that's gone on here, and it's just incredible. Over here, you never know who you're going to find out in the desert. There's the wolf pack and CVK. There's little baby May May. She saw me. There they are. The wolf pack in person out here in the wash.